Hey lovelies, wanna see how? I turned a plain pack into a clean, eye-catching product ad for lays in Photoshop. Let's go! First drag in your plain pack image. Now press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Right-click and select Convert to Smart Object. Then head to Filter, then Blur and then Gaussian Blur. Now save this file and delete the Gaussian filter you added previously. We will use it as our layer later. Next, bring in your lace concept image. Convert this one to a smart object as well. Press Ctrl+T to resize and position it over the pack. Now here's the magic. Go to Filter, Distort, Displace, and when prompted select the placement file you saved earlier. This wraps your design naturally over the pack's curves and folds. After that, open up the blending options. Experiment with modes like multiply or overlay to make the design feel printed on the pack. Tweak the opacity or add a layer mask if needed for fine adjustments. And that's it. Just go to File, Save. Your final pack is ready now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let me know in the comments which idea should I come up with next.